Hello there. Here is my 2016 Blackwidow chroma. It's held up well all these years, but recently it's been showing some signs of wear. Some of the LEDs have been dying for a while now, but the main problem is some of the green mechanical switches have been actuating unreliably.
Yeah, these have all started failing recently too. You can hear the clicky is fine on there, but on some of them not so much.
Instead of buying a new keyboard, I thought I should try rescue this one first, as I'm used to it. I use the macro keys a lot and the newer models don't have them. I did some poking around and I found a method of doing this using small holtite sockets. I will leave all the videos and websites I used in the description. While I was doing all this modding, I thought it would be a good idea to add a USB socket on the back of the keyboard, so I could use my own cable rather than the thick one that's always annoyed me a little bit. The white metal plate of the keyboard allows the switches to be held in place quite sturdily, while still allowing them to be removed with ease. Here are some things I've learned from this project that I would have liked to know before starting. The main issue with the finished project is the mechanical switch pins are flat and the sockets are round. This causes some switches not to register a press every so often. I fixed this by flattening the sockets whole with some pliers after soldering. However, it would have been better to do this before soldering while it was in the PCB. As you can also see, I really messed up some of the solder pads when I was replacing some LEDs in the keyboard a few years ago. I also believe when I was soldering this time, I perhaps left the soldering iron on a few points for too long, damaging the LED's traces. This led to some strange difficulties with the lights that I've not been able to fix yet. Unfortunately, the logo LED no longer works at all. Overall, I really like how it turned out. It's a shame about all the small issues, but I can deal with those. If you have any suggestions for me, I would love to hear them in the comments. Please feel free to ask any questions also. Cheers!